Hey guys, welcome back to my 365 AI tool challenge. Today I'm going to show you how can you use Continue AI. So basically Continue AI is open source AI coding assistant for your editor, and it works inside VS Code JetBrains, and it lets you connect model like GPT, Claude, Gemini and local large language model. So you can choose your own AI brain. Unlike Copilot, you are not locked into one ecosystem. Okay, now let's install it. So open VS Code extension and look for Continue, and we can see the first one with over 3 million stars, and click install. Okay, now let's test it. I'll open a project and ask. So after you install extension, you can see the Continue on the left sidebar, and you can start using it now. Here you can choose different model, and you can see I don't have any model yet, so I have to add, and I can just open. You can choose different provider, so I'll just select open, and I'll just keep 5.2. so you can enter your OpenAI key or click here to create new one, and once you get your API key, enter here and connect, and now I can generate. Also you can choose different mode, chat, plan or agent, and hit enter, and now you can see it generated the code. It generated the new file out. We don't even have to copy and paste. Okay, now I'll ask explain out function, and we can see clear explanation. It can also modify your code, so I'll type and refactor this using is async await and hit enter, and we just click apply, and now it's giving suggestion to choose accept or reject, so I can accept, and now you can see it refactored the code using async and await. Okay, now let's create another function. You can see it also supports code autocomplete, so it helps while you're typing too, like Copilot style. Just enter tab and done. So this was overview of Continue. Honestly, this tool is perfect for coding, debugging and refactoring. Make sure you set a limit when you use API, otherwise you might end up using all of your credit. So that's all for today, and see you tomorrow with another AI tool.